Welcome back, guys, to another video. We're out grouse hunting today. KK already shot one bird this morning, and we just saw two, so we kind of had to shoot them quick. I dumped one, and the other one flew out of a tree and I actually shot him out of the air, which was pretty cool. First time doing that. I'm gonna send Ruger on the retrieval. Come on, go get it. He's down here. Come on. Get it. Hurry, get that bird.
Good job.
Good boy. Let's go.
Good job.
Good boy.
To the truck. Take him to the truck.
He was going right down here. This way. Baby, right here. He goes like right down through these trees.
Okay.
There he goes. I see him. No. Down past this full pine tree. In that color. There he goes. He went to the left of that pine tree. You're gonna have to also low. Okay, might wanna, yeah, he's moving fast. Just need to go up into a tree. He's still over here to your left. I see him running. I see him going through the trees. There you go. He's gonna come up left. You're good. To your right, to your right. Big tree. Right there.
Okay.
Oh, oh. He's coming to your left. Nice. Good shot.
Jesus.
Woo! He gave you a...
Oh.
Woo!
I'm in need.
All right. Second bird today. That's a big one.
Yeah.
It's a good size one.
He gave me a run for my money.
We only had to track him for like a quarter mile down this steep hillside. All right, we gotta go back up to the truck. All right. It's a track coming up that hill. Ruger's on retrieval duty. Here he comes, I see his vest. There he is. Come on, Ruger, get that bird. Good boy. Good boy. Good job. That's a big one, huh? Good boy. Big bird. Big bird. Good boy, get up in here. Come on, bring that bird up in here. Good boy. Good boy. Good work. Good boy. Okay, a little update. 2 birds and 2 more birds. So we can only get 1 more piece. It's only 8:40 in the morning, 8:50. Just got my 3rd bird. Ruger's on the retrieval. Let's go, Ruger. Take him back to the truck. Let's go. Gonna bag our birds up and head down the mountain. It's about 10 o'clock. We've done pretty good today, another 5 birds. So another solid day. Head down the mountain and take care of these guys at the house, and we'll vacuum seal them.